Launch CR319, the ultimate entry-level choice in ease and affordability for any DIY users. Gets the complete 10 modes of OBD2 test. To read and clear codes, check IM readiness status, view freeze frame, test O2 sensor system, onboard monitor and evap system, etc. It also features DTC lookup function to help you diagnose the trouble fast and accurately. It is compatible with most American, European, and Asian models, manufactured as from 1996. And with its plug-and-play, being able to get the power directly from the vehicle, the scanner is very easy to use for any DIYers and mechanics, anytime and anywhere.